Welcome back, and we now go to the business review with Dashan Hendricks.
Is a new capacity as Industry and Agriculture Minister, touring Red Stripe on Friday to get a sense of the improvements being made at the facility.
I'm really pleased on this tour to see the new line that you have established and the level of automation and the sophistication.
Since taking the helm of the Agriculture Ministry over a week ago, Mr. Shaw has made his mission getting idle lands into production. Red Stripe, in the midst of a project to produce cassava for beer production, is now a target for Mr. Shaw. The company has been growing the cassava on thousands of acres of land for its beer. Over 100 farmers are already engaged.
Our discussions, we are hoping that over the next few years you'll significantly expand your cassava production in Jamaica. And of course a lot of it with small farmers owning their own plots, so everybody gets a piece of the profit pie.
A total of 4,000 acres are to be put under production by Red Stripe, but Mr. Shaw is proposing the company plants even more.
Between St. Catherine and Clarendon, we are going to have about 20,000 acres of land available, from which you can easily get your 4,000 acres for cassava. And the good news also is that those 20,000 acres, 70% of it is already irrigated land. Imagine that. Irrigated land laying idle, right? Unacceptable. Cassava, here we come, right? As part of the strategy of getting that vertical integration going.
We're now using cassava in just not only Red Stripe but also Dragon beer. So it is definitely something that can only grow. We're really excited about that.
Red Stripe has already spent 14 million euros expanding its production line. More money is to be spent for further expansion, including bigger warehouse facilities for increased beer production and a new mill to process more cassava.
So it's a lot of investment because we believe in this company. We believe Red Stripe can really be big across the world. It's a great brand that represents Jamaica and what Jamaica is all about.
The company now produces 3 million bottles per year on the new line, the brew being for the export market.
I recall when I first entered into public service. It's when I joined JNIP, then Jamaica National Investment Promotion, in the early 1980s. By the mid to the end of that decade, manufacturing as a percentage of gross domestic product was 20%. It has declined since then to 8% of GDP. Unacceptable. We have a ways to go. We have to rebuild manufacturing if we are going to grow this economy significantly again. And the good news is we can also have that linked umbilically with agriculture as well.
For the Business Review, I am Dashan Hendricks.